Hi, this is Alex, and this is my new Lego LEG tanker ship. Right over here, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people on the front of the ship. And these two white parts are the tanks. Here are the handlebars with a light. Let me see if I can. Here are 2 decorations, exhaust fans, a connector. That way those 2 things won't fall apart. That way the 2 tanks will fall apart. 2 pipes to pump out the gasoline. Over here is where the captain's. The bridge. She actually is in there. Here the 2 pipes connect. Here are one of the 2 lights. Here's the other light. Let me put that on. Here are the 2 balancers on each side. This is what it looks like in the front. Let's see, woo! Okay, here's the side view of it at sea. Top view from it at sea. Side view. And of course, need the back view. I hope you enjoy my new Lego LEG tanker. Bye.